Today is morning, and it's good in the outside. So today my vlog is about the health benefits of dog walking to you and your dog. So you have to remember that always my vlog every day. No, Joppy is here. Joppy, don't coming there. Come on. Here. No. Come. Here. No. Come here. Come out. So, come on. So, the health benefits of dog walking is very important, guys. So many benefits: improve of cardiovascular fitness. It's lower blood pressure and stronger muscles and bones of the dog. So build up by walking regularly, and decrease also the stress of the dog. Come on, doggy. So vitally important for our pets, health. So it's not yung palagi lang napagod. Come on, Jope. Kaya very important po talaga guys ang walking ng dog. So see? Come on. So come on, the health benefits of dog walking to you guys is very important. You have to remember that. So if you have a dog like this, you always bring the dog outside walking. So malikot ang dog ko eh. Dog, slowly because yeah. Come on. So the dog owners enjoy numerous health and social benefits by walking the dog. A few times a week, benefits includes improved cardiovascular. You have to remember that. Fitness. It's lower the blood pressure of the dog. And of course, it builds up his muscles and bones. A regular work is vitally important for the pet's health. Yep. Parang hindi ma-obesity. Avoid the obesity of the dog. It's associated with a #1 medical complaints including osteoarthritis and cardiovascular disease, liver disease, and insulin resistance of the dog. So we have to remember that, ate, we have to walk the dog because it needs for the dog. The dog also will sick just like us if the dog will not walk. So most of the dog needs to be walked at least once each day. Do some dogs, particularly very active dogs, may require more. Required talaga sila, although they are really active, but they require to walk. The breed of dog you have, as well as its level of fitness, age, and will also determine how long and how vigorous your walk should be. So guys, we have to remember that. So walking with the dog also can make us happy. The dog is happy, and also I'm happy, and everyone are happy if you walk with the dog. They love to check out the sight and smells, and will really look forward to spending time with you. And guys, walking with the dog is a bonding also, bonding to the owners and of course to the dog. A dog that doesn't receive sufficient exercise can easily become bored or destructive. Yeah. So you have to remember that, ate. The dog is not always destructive if there's no exercise for the dog. Yeah. So our vlog is very important for this, guys. Is walking with the dog. Yeah. That's really good. So thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for always there. Please don't forget to subscribe my channels. Yeah. This is Tinie's Corner.